The co-chairman of State Planning Board, Sri Lanbotham K. Sangma, along with his team, visited and inspected flood mitigation efforts and distributed relief measures to people in flood-hit areas of southwest Garo Hills on Saturday, the 11th of June 2022. Srimati Leena Daring Sangma, BDO of Betasing CNRD block, visited a woman who was injured due to a landslide and is currently undergoing treatment at Civil Hospital, Ampati. Mr. Lanbotham, the co-chairman, also offered condolences and support as he handed over an ex gratia check to the affected family. The co-chairman also visited the flood-stricken areas under Zigzag CNRD block and Darong Adu and inquired about the kind of relief and rehabilitation activities being carried out in these areas. He also interacted with the families affected by the recent natural calamities and assured them of required support and assistance from the state government.